Creating product ads is expensive, slow, and honestly frustrating. You need photographers, designers, revisions, the whole pipeline. But what if one AI agent could do all of that from just a single product photo? Let me show you something crazy. You might have already guessed from the title, this video is about Invideo and their brand new feature called Advertising Studio. So what exactly is it? In simple terms, Advertising Studio is an AI agent built for e-commerce product photography and full campaign creation. It can take just one product photo and turn it into a complete campaign with visuals that match your brand style. And it's powered by something called the Creative Director Agent, which basically means you don't have to think like a designer anymore. Normally, creating something like this takes a full team, a creative director, an art director, a photographer, and multiple rounds of editing. And you have to repeat that entire process for every format: Amazon listings, catalog photos, ads, everything. But this AI agent replaces that entire workflow. You just give it a brief, like you would to a real creative director, and it handles the creative decisions, the design, and the final output, all in one go, from just a single product photo. So let's see how it actually works. Once you log into the platform, go to the Agents and Models section and click on Advertising Studio. Here, you'll see all the available presets, everything you need for your e-commerce workflow, from logo design to product images, all the way to video ads. Basically, the entire pipeline is already built for you. So let's start with logo design. So first, click on the Logo Designer, then click on New, give your project a name, and hit Create Project. Now you'll see a simple interface with a space to describe your idea. Here, you can enter your brand name and even describe how you want your logo to look. Then just click on Generate. And within seconds, you'll get a logo based on your input. If you're not happy with the first result, no problem. Just click Generate again, and each time you'll get a completely new, unique logo. All right, let's move on to the next preset. Just like before, you don't need to go back to the previous page. You can simply click on Trends here and select a new preset from Advertising Studio within the same project. So this time, let's try the PackShot 360 preset. What this does is it takes a single product photo and generates views from multiple angles, so you get a full 360-degree look of your product. Let's see how it works. Once you select it, all you need to do is upload one or multiple images of your product. Then simply click on Generate. And that's it. Nice. Now let's try one of the most powerful presets, Amazon A+ content. Just like before, click on Trends and select the preset. Then, upload your product image, choose your aspect ratio, and click Generate. And within seconds, it creates a detailed, high-quality poster for your product, ready for Amazon listings. If you have something specific in mind, you can describe it in the prompt, or you can simply click Generate and let the AI handle everything. Great, let's move on to the next one. This time, we're going to generate a video for our product using the Hero Shot preset. Just like before, select the preset, upload your product, and click Generate. Then just give it a few seconds and wait for the result. And honestly, the output looks really impressive. Awesome! So just like that, you can take your product to the next level using Invideo Advertising Studio. Honestly, this makes the whole process faster, easier, and way more scalable. And don't forget, you can actually try all of this for free right now. So go ahead, test it out with your own product. and let me know in the comments which preset you liked the most and what kind of product you're planning to create next. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and share this video with others. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!